Do you want to improve your financial situation, achieve financial freedom, and break free from the constant struggle of bills and debt? Have you ever felt financial strain from trying to keep up with the lifestyles of friends and those on social media? Are you interested in learning how to increase your wealth through better financial habits and investment strategies, making your future life more comfortable? Today, we're diving headfirst into the murky waters of money habits. And let me tell you, these habits can either make or break your financial future. So, put on your thinking caps and listen closely because we're about to unveil the 8 bad money habits that could be shackling your wealth. Habit number 1. Paying yourself last. Picture this. You get that hard-earned paycheck, and the first thing you do is pay those pesky bills, treat yourself to dinner, maybe buy a fancy gadget, and if, by some miracle, there's something left, you think about saving. But here's the kicker. There's usually nothing left to save. Sound all too familiar? Well, here's what the financially savvy folks do. They flip the script. They pay themselves first. Before the bills, before the fancy dinner, they stash away a slice of their earnings right into their savings. It's all about making themselves richer before anyone else. Habit number 2. Keeping up with the Joneses. We all have that friend or two who insists on dining at Michelin-star restaurants, jet-setting to exotic destinations, and shopping at high-end boutiques. And guess what? They want you to tag along, but your wallet's just not on the same page. Here's the deal. It's okay to be real with your friends and say, "Hey, I'm on a financial mission right now, and that's out of my budget." True friends will get it. Trying to match their extravagant spending will lead you down the path of debt and despair. Habit number 3. Credit card cashback blues. Don't get me wrong. Credit cards can be your best buddies. Those cashback rewards and air miles? Sweet. But here's where things go south. You start justifying purchases because of those rewards. I'll get cashback, so why not? You think. It's a slippery slope. Only use that rewards card if you can cough up the cash immediately. Don't let rewards lead you to reckless spending. Habit number 4. Financial fiasco. Ever had your finances look like a tornado hit them? Credit cards scattered around, loans you can't keep track of, and spending habits shrouded in mystery? It's time to whip those finances into shape. There are nifty apps out there to streamline your money management, or, if you're a spreadsheet whiz, create one to monitor your spending and net worth. An organized financial life is a prosperous one. Habit number 5. Debt dependency. Just because everyone's drowning in debt doesn't mean you have to join the party. Paying for things in cash is the name of the game. Steer clear of student loan debt unless you've got a solid plan to obliterate it pronto. Car loans? Nah, not for you. And don't even think about a mortgage if those student loans are still haunting you. Debt is a heavy anchor. Aim to sail debt-free. Habit number 6. Impromptu expenses. Ever sprinted out without checking the weather, only to buy an overpriced umbrella or hail a costly cab instead of using public transport? It happens when you don't plan. Be it overdraft fees or impulsive purchases, failing to plan can wreak havoc on your finances. Remember, a bit of foresight can save you a bundle. Habit number 7. Tax troubles. Taxes, the heavyweight champion of your expenses. But here's the thing, you can trim that tax bill down. Contribute to your 401k to shave off your taxable income. Explore HSAs and IRAs to shield your gains and dividends from the taxman's grasp. Paying less in taxes means more green in your wallet. Habit number 8. Procrastination station. Investing, the financial realm's holy grail. Some folks put it off, thinking they'll start when they're swimming in cash. Big mistake. Time is your ally. The sooner you start, the less you need to invest from your pocket to reach those financial milestones. So, don't delay, start investing today. To your wealth and success.